Welcome back to Open Source. I'm here with Ty Cooper. Um, Look, Ty, I appreciate you coming on. It's a lot of prognosticating. It's a lot of like looking at the future and being like, like how is this going to change society? Because another thing that's happening at the same time quantum is evolving, obviously AI is evolving. So I'm looking at these two technologies and I'm like, they're obviously going to work together. How do you see quantum and AI working together?
Well, one of the big things that we have seen so far being used is quantum machine learning, which machine learning is a stepping stone for AI as people use nowadays. And machine learning is basically a fancy term of combining uh, neural networks together and helping the machine learn and train on pre-existing data sets. Quantum computing I say is aided quite significantly by AI in the fact that I like to call it as an accelerated researcher more than it is of artificial intelligence because a lot of the artificial intelligence that we have nowadays, yes, it's able to generate um, pre-contextualized data and provide that to you in a cohesive format, especially for your own particular needs. And I believe this is what's helping a lot of not only just new people get into quantum computing, but quantum researchers as well. Take a lot of data patterns that will take a significant amount of time to crunch these numbers and find the different pattern sets and essentially piece it together in their way in a more streamlined way for them to then proceed onward for a lot of their research that they seek to do. And then as AI becomes more evolved in terms of being able to generate these patterns and data sets, once you are going to start seeing is quantum computing then being able to aid AI and being able to process information faster to build more cohesive applications. Well, that's one of the things why a lot of actually top AI companies right now are kind of in some ways hitting a wall because they don't have enough processors. They can only buy so many NVIDIA GPUs to store up a data warehouse, especially as the energy demand increases. That's why you're hearing a lot of tech companies going nuclear and building nuclear power plants. Yes, right now fission, but soon fusion to be able to power these AI data sets. And we can see as we get functioning quantum computers, they can aid in helping with those a lot of these problems and patterns that AI is seeking to face.
Right, right. And this, I mean, this it's interesting, right? Because you see, it's like you kind of need one to build the other, right? And as AI turns into AGI, where artificial intelligence is smarter than humans, it's going to be able, maybe we think, to solve the gaps to make quantum happen faster that no human can actually do, because we're going to have this smarter technology that's going to be like, hey guys, you missed this. This is how to make the quantum computer work.
Mhm. Yeah, absolutely. Because one of the things that we love seeing for AI that we see people use it for is helping them learn, right? And as people continue using it or integrating it into their applications, the demand to get more data and to provide a cohesive experience for end customers is just only going to drive up the demand for more cohesive and better tools that only quantum computing can really provide.
And look, we only got a minute left to the break, but I mean, again, we don't really know. But how much faster could that speed up the timeline? I mean, or is your 7 to 30 year quantum timeline? Does that include like AGI?
Mm, no, it doesn't include AGI at all,
Right.
which is why it just automatically comes down to the breakthroughs. Uh, because at this point, it's just like we simply don't know, right? We might definitely see some early instances of AGI a lot faster than we may see a functioning quantum computer to the stage where people could use it via cloud. But all in all, the AGI aspect is going to help streamline the quantum development process. Absolutely, I
Oh, for
believe that
sure. Now
significantly.
we'll see when AGI comes around, but Sam Altman has been teasing maybe as early as 2025. I got Ty Cooper here on open source.